arrive in style with this 2016 GMC Yukon XL SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, preferred equipment group 4SA, enhanced driver alert package, memory package, premium smooth ride suspension package, 9 speakers, Bose premium 9-speaker system, MP3 decoder, premium audio system, IntelliLink and Sirius XM satellite radio. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.